Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Help Scout tutorial for beginners. So what is Help Scout? Help Scout is a customer service platforms that offers shared email inboxes for teams, live chat functionality, knowledge-based creation for self-service, and automation tools for streamlined support. Setting up Help Scout. Visit the Help Scout website and sign up for a free trial or paid plan. Invite team members. Go to Manage, Users, and invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles like admin, user, or light user. Now navigating the Help Scout dashboard. On the inbox, central hub for managing customer conversations. Shared inbox allows team to collaborate on emails. Docs is to create and manage your knowledge base. Provide self-service option for customers. Reports analyze team performance, response times, and customer satisfaction. Lastly is the beacons. Embed live chat and knowledge-based links on your website. On setting up a shared box, add a mailbox. Go to Manage, Mailboxes, and click Create Mailbox. Enter your support email address. Now connect your email. Use the built-in email forwarding instructions to forward emails from your existing address to Help Scout. Organize conversations. Use tags to create or categorize emails. Assign conversations to team members for personalized follow-ups. Managing conversation. Open a conversation in the inbox. Reply using the rich text editor to format your message. Add internal notes for team collaboration that is not visible to customers. Automating workflows. Create rules to automate actions, like assigning tickets based on knowledge or tags. Keywords or tags. Now for collision detection. See when another teammate is viewing or replying to the same conversation to avoid duplication. Now on setting up and using beacons. To create a beacon, go to Manage, Beacons, and click on Create Beacon. Customize the beacon's appearance and behavior. Add live chat or docs. Enable live chat for real-time support. Link to your knowledge base to help customers find answer quickly. Embed on your website. Copy the provided code snippet and paste it on your website. Now building a knowledge base. Create a docs. Go to Docs, New Collection, to group related articles. Add articles with clear titles, step-by-step instructions, and visuals. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in titles and contents to improve searchability. Now publish and share. Publish articles and link them to the beacon or emails. Now using reports for insights. View metrics like response time, resolution time, and conversation volume. Now on monitoring customer satisfaction, use the built-in CSAT surveys to gather feedback. Identity trends. Analyze tags and workflows to spot recurring issues. Now here are some best practices for customer support. Respond quickly, personalize communication, use automation, and keep knowledge base updated. And that's basically it.